following the Red Line Red Project. Thanks for following my YouTube channel, Ledsnbaggs. Please check us out across all social media platforms, Eddie Byrd or Ledsnbaggs, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and so on and so forth. Alright, today what we're going to do is show you this 21-inch factory color match wrapped fender. Okay? As everybody know, I am an authorized dealer for Advanblack. Here I am, Eddie Byrd. Authorized dealer, okay? Reach out to me. I'll get you squared away with your orders. We have a plethora of colors and also products as well. So let's get this thing opened up real quick. Hopefully everyone's enjoying their summer, winter, or whatever the case may be, whenever you're watching this video. And the reason why I'm showing the unpackaging, I know you guys probably like, well, you know, it's a lot of noise, whatever the case may be. I want you to see how well Advanblack takes in protecting their products while it's shipped. This thing is packaged very well. It's wrapped up real nice to make sure everything is protected and you receive the best products that you could ever get. Here is the factory match. Ooh, this thing look good. Oh my God. I can't wait to get this on the bike. This is a Red Line Red wrapped 21-inch fender. Solid. I think it's solid. No plastic. Solid. Solid. It's nice. These also come in 19. So if you don't want to run a 21, you can go with that 19. The wrapped front fender. This is the front. This is the back. Okay? Now, with this fender, the difference between the fenders are the same, but the difference is going to be your spacers. So the spacers will go on the year of your bike. This is the hardware that the fender comes with. Okay? Comes with some bolts. Comes with a hardware packaged up. Alright? And here's your spacers. You have a choice between the chrome or black spacers. See if I can slide one out of here real quick for you. Come on. There we go. Woo! It's going to look good. Over a chrome wheel, chrome forks. That's going to be nice. This is your chrome spacer. Or you can choose black. Whichever way you choose to go. Okay? Once again, thanks for following the Red Line Red Project. And we're going to go ahead and get the bike loaded up. Get this fender on there. And watch it bring our wheel out. Once again, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hey everyone, welcome back. Look what we did. Got the bike loaded. Alright, today what we're going to do is get this the wrap fender I showed earlier. We're going to get this wrap fender installed and we're going to bring out this wheel. This beautiful wheel right here by Coastal Moto. I did another video on that. Go check it out. Let's get to the action. Basically I'm going to explain and you're going to see me do it. With the stock fender you have to go with the risers in order for it to work. So if you do a 21-inch wheel, you have to raise your fender up so you don't rub a hole in your fender. So I'm going to remove the risers, remove the stock bolts, get the fender installed, and take it from there. Alright, you must be careful getting your fender out of here so you don't scar it up. So you kind of want to squeeze the sides a little bit, and you kind of do this rolling action. Roll it forward, roll it forward. Alright, get that baby out of there. Alright, set the fender in a safe place. I'm gonna work on getting these other bolts out. Just give me a second here. Or remove the extension. Sometimes you need the extension, you need no leverage. I'm gonna put these on, things are a little tight. There we go. All right. I can't make these bolts up, guys. Alright, well, get your fender in there. Take your time, roll it in just like you did the other one. And just let it sit on the tire. Let it rest there for a second. Get your bolts. So it comes with the bolts. Comes with 4, nut, and a washer. So your bolt go in, the spacer go in between, hence spacer. And as I mentioned in the other video or earlier, it comes in black or chrome. We chose chrome on this particular build. So you want to get your spacer in there and prepare your bolt on the other side. Now the spacer really doesn't matter which way it goes, it's the same. It's the same part. Okay. Alright everyone, as I mentioned, get your spacers in there, get your bolt in, put your washer and your nut. Now there's a trick to installing this fender. You don't want it rubbing, okay? You want to make sure it's not touching your tire. So don't just tighten down one side, don't just tighten down the back. Go in a little bit on the back, a little bit on the front, or a little bit on the back, a little bit on the front over here, a little bit on the back, a little bit on the front. Alright, so we're going to get this thing tightened down just a little bit and make sure we're not rubbing. Get it, more or less get it adjusted. Do a little bit. I just hand tightened them earlier, so I'm just gonna snug them just a little bit. All right. Same for the other side. And that real big adjustment come in when you get down to really tightening them down. Like I said, this is something that you want to take your time. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time to install this. As you can see, I'm already pleased with the results. So now what we're going to do, we're going to remove the tape and the protection on the front and the back. That way we can kind of hone in on what side we need to pull this thing to. Alright? Because if you don't, it will rub a hole in your tire. I'm sorry, your fender. You will ruin your paint, basically. Let's get this protecting cover off. Now I'm gonna save this and put it on my stock fender, okay? Pretty smart, and box it back up, put it off to the side. Alright, we got both of those off of there. Now I'm gonna kind of hone in on the tightening on the adjustment. So as you see, we're a little loose in the front. So, and don't really want it touching. So let's get this thing snug down a little bit and kind of take it from there. We can always loosen it and adjust it from there. As you can see, it brings that wheel out very, very. I mean, you see all around the wheel. And like I said, he's coming at 21 and also a 20. I mean a 19, I'm sorry. Alright, so I got it snug now. It's not tight. I'm gonna check. Front seems to be pretty good. Make sure that back is not touching. You may have to tilt it up just a little bit. And also depends on what size tire you're running too. I think we're good right where it's at right there. I got it so you can rock it back and forth. But I think we're gonna go right where it's at. Like I said, as long as you can see in there. So I adjusted it right where it's at. I'm gonna stay with it right there. I'm gonna get this thing bolted down and look at these results real quick. Alright. Got it snug tight. You don't want to over tighten it. As I get the wrench stuck in here. Alright. We're going to get the camera pulled up off the tripod, and I'm going to get you guys a closer look. There we have it. The 21-inch wrap front fender. Once again, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And join our social media pages. TikTok, Facebook. Check me out. I can always provide you a discount. Check me out on your product. And we'll get you squared away.